In topology, we are dealing with closure of a set. Closure. I explained in the previous video what is closure of a set. Closure of a set A. It is denoted by A closure or closure of A. Suppose X2 be a topological space, any topological space, A be a subset of X, then A closure is, it is the intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Intersection of all the closed sets containing A is called closure of A. How do you find a closure of a set? You have to find all the closed sets first. When do you say that A is closed? A is closed if A dash is open. What do you mean by open set? Open set means the members of two are called open sets and complements of open sets are closed sets. Therefore, you have to find out first closed sets and all the closed sets containing A. Then intersection of all that closed sets containing A is called closure of A, and it is denoted by A closure or closure of A. Now we study some important results on this closure of a set and we will take that as a theorem. First theorem is, take the statement, let A closure be the closure of a set. Closure of a set A in a topological space X2. A closure is the closure of a set A in the topological space X2. Then first result, A is contained in A closure. Second, A closure is closed set. Third one, A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. This is very important property. A closure is closed, A is contained in A closure. A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. That is very important, this result. Because we often use this result in the further study of topology. We call this as the properties of closure. Fourth one, A is closed if and only A closure is equal to A. Converse also true here. A is closed if and only if A closure is A. First we prove this result. I explain the proof of these results. I think all of you understand the statement here. All of you followed what is the statement? First one, A is contained in A closure. This is by definition, it is obvious. How to define? A closure is the intersection of all the closed sets containing A. What is the meaning of that? A is contained in A closure. By definition, therefore it is obvious. Second one, A closure is closed. A closure is closed set. Why it is closed set? Because again it is by obvious, it is by definition. First one obvious, second one is also obvious. Obvious means proof is not required for this. A closure is closed because it is the intersection of all the closed sets containing A. What is A closure? Intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Intersection of the closed sets is closed. Intersection of closed sets is closed. Therefore, A closure is a closed set. First and two are obvious. Third one, what is the third one? A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. For that, we take another closed set B which contains A. We take another set, closed set B containing A. But we prove that A closure is contained in that B. Therefore, A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. We prove like this. Let B be any closed set containing A. containing A. Containing A. Since A closure is a closed set, A closure is a closed set, and intersection of closed sets, intersection of closed sets intersection of closed sets containing A closure is contained in every closed set containing it. See the definition important here, how closure of a set is defined. We have taken B is any closed set containing A, but A closure is the intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Therefore A closure is contained in every closed set containing A. Therefore A closure is contained in B. A closure is contained in B because we have taken B is closed set containing A. Closed set containing A. But what happened? What is A closure? See the definition. It is intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Therefore, if A is contained in B, then A closure must be contained in B. Then what happens? A closure becomes smallest closed set containing A. This property important, A closure is smallest closed set containing A. The argument important here, how we use the argument here. Fourth one, what is fourth one? A is closed if and only A closure is equal to A. A closure is equal to A. First part, suppose A is closed. Suppose A is closed. A is closed. Then A is contained in A. Correct? A is contained in A. From 3, A closure is contained in A. But from 1, A is contained in A closure. From 3, A closure is contained in A because A is closed set. What does 3 says? A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. Therefore, A closure is contained in A. And from 1, A is contained in A closure. Now, from these two, A closure or A is equal to A closure. By using 1 and 3, we write A is A closure. If A is contained in A closure. What is that? I repeat this. Suppose A is closed, then A is equal to A closure. We have taken A is closed. From 1, A is contained in, from 3, A closure is contained in A. From 1, A is contained in A closure. So A is equal to A closure from these two. On the other hand, suppose A is equal to A closure. Suppose A is A closure. What do you have to prove? A is closed. But what is A closure? A closure is the closed set because in the intersection of all the closed sets. This implies A is closed. A is closed set. See, these results important. They may be converted into objective question like this. A is contained in A closure. How do you convert this into objective question? Suppose A closure is the closure of A. That is the question. Then 4 alternative answers. A is contained in A closure. A closure is contained in A, and A is not contained in A closure, and none of this. Then answer is A is contained in A closure. Any question can be converted into objective type. Therefore, you have to understand the concept first. Go through the theorem, as well as proof. Even though you have no descriptive type examination, descriptive type question in the examination, you have to understand the concept, then only you can write the multiple choice question. Corollary to this, immediate corollary to this, in any topological space, X closure is X. In any topological space X2, X closure is X, pi closure is pi, closure of A closure is E. How to prove this? Suppose X2 be any topological space, X closure is X, because X is closed. A is closed, define only if A closure is equal to A closure. This result. A is closed, define only if A is equal to A closure. Since X is closed, X closure is X. Pi is closed, pi closure is pi. A closure is a closed set, therefore closure of A closure is E. Next theorem. To take on this theorem, let capital A and B any two sets in a topological space. Take this. Let A, B be any two sets in a topological space X2. Then first one, if A is contained in B, then A closure is contained in B closure. Second, A union B closure is A closure union B closure. Very important result it is, because in case of intersection, A intersection B closure is not equal to A closure intersection B closure. That we prove in the next result. So A union B closure is A closure union B closure. And how to prove this second one? How to prove that two sets are equal? We have to prove that A is contained in B, B is contained in A. Then A is equal to B. We use that technique. Okay, first part. What is the first part? A is contained in B, A closure is contained in B closure. We know that, proof of this first one, we know that B is contained in B closure. Refer the previous theorem. Because B closure is the intersection of all the closure sets containing B, B is contained in B closure. And B closure is a closed set. So how we use the results? All the results, previous results are important. B is contained in B closure and B closure is a closed set. What is given here? Since A is contained in B and A closure is the smallest closed set containing A closure is contained in B closure. That reason important. Say we have first B is contained in B closure, because by definition it is obvious. B closure is the intersection of all the closed set containing B. B is contained in B closure. B closure is a closed set. But A closure is the smallest closed set containing A. B closure is another closed set containing A, because A is contained in B. B is contained in B closure. So what happens? A is contained in B closure. But A closure is smallest closed set containing A. B closure is another closed set containing A. But A closure is the smallest one. Therefore A closure must be contained in B closure. So if A is contained in B, A closure is contained in B closure. I think you followed this one. You have to observe very carefully definition and what I am telling here, proof. You have to observe very carefully. Second one, A union B closure is A closure union B closure. And I already explained, to prove that two sets are equal, what you have to prove? To prove A is equal to B, you have to prove that A is contained in B, B is contained in A. First part, A union B closure is contained in this. A closure union B closure is contained in A union B closure. Therefore, they are equal. We have A is contained in A union B. Any doubts here? This is very elementary. A is contained in A union B. B is contained in A union B. Therefore, A closure is contained in A union B closure. B closure is contained in A union B closure. Therefore, A closure union B closure is contained in A union B closure. Take this as 1. This as 1. That is the first part. Second part is, what is the second part? We have to prove that A union B closure is contained in A closure union B closure. That is the second part. On the other hand, A is contained in A closure, B is contained in B closure. Therefore, A union B is contained in A closure union B closure. Any doubts here? Straightforward steps here. A is contained in A closure, B is contained in B closure, because by previous theorem or by definition it is obvious here. A union B closure is contained in A closure union B closure. What is A closure union B closure? Is a closed set, because it is a union of two closed sets. A closure union B closure is a closed set and it contains A union B. But A union B closure is the smallest closed set containing A union B. Understand, very important. We have A closure union B closure is a closed set containing A union B. It is closed set, that is important, because A closure is a closed set. Union of two closed sets is closed set. A closure union B closure is a closed set containing A union B. But A union B closure is smallest closed set containing A union B. Therefore, this must be contained in A closure union B closure. A union B closure is contained in A closure union B closure. This is 2. From 1 and 2, A union B closure is equal to A closure union B closure. I think all of you understood the proof here. Some important results on closure which may be helpful while studying further topology. Now on closure we have these things here. In any topological space X2, X2, X closure is X, pi closure is pi, closure of A closure is A, and A union B closure is A closure union B closure. In any topological space we have these results, and these 4, why X closure is X, I already explained. X is closed, pi is closed, therefore pi closure is pi. A closure is closed set, therefore closure of A closure is A, because A is closed depend only if A closure is equal to A. A union B closure is A closure union B closure. Just we have proved this one. Now these 4 are called Kuratowski's closure axioms. Kuratowski's spelling TOWSKI. Kuratowski's closure axiom. Again, the concept is important. This can be converted into objective question. What are the Kuratowski's closure axioms? Kuratowski's closure axiom. These are called Kuratowski's closure axiom. Next definition. What is definition of dense set? Dense set. Dense set means suppose X2 is a topological space, A be a subset of X, then A is said to be dense in X if A closure is equal to X. A closure is equal to X. Understand definition? Suppose X2 is any topological space, definition of dense set, and A is contained in X, then A is said to be dense in X if and only A closure is equal to X. Next definition, separable space. Separable space. Definition here. A topological space X2 is said to be separable if and only there is a countable subset of X, which is dense in X. Then we say that topological space X2 is separable. For inverse syllabus, separable, connectedness, compactness, it is not there. Up to only some subspaces, T1, T2 spaces and properties of T1, T2 spaces are there. Sometimes definition may be a separable space. What is dense set? There A is said to be dense in X if A closure is equal to X. If and only if A closure is equal to X. Then what is separable? When do you say that X2 is separable? If there exists a countable subset of X. What do you mean by countable subset? All these things you have studied in set theory. Countable set. When do you say that A is countable? If either A is finite or denumerable, then it is said to be countable. Finite or denumerable. I explain taking example here. Finite or denumerable said to be countable. Suppose there exists a countable subset of X which is dense in X, then it is topological space is said to be separable. Now I prove that here. Prove that A intersection B closure is contained in A closure intersection B closure, and give an example to show that in general take this, A intersection B closure is not equal to A closure intersection B closure. What is A union B closure? Is equivalent to A closure union B closure. But in case of intersection, A intersection B closure is contained in this, but it is not equal to A closure intersection B closure. Now first part is, we prove like this. First part is, we have A intersection B is contained in A intersection B is contained in B. Therefore A intersection B is contained in A intersection B closure is contained in A closure. A intersection B closure is contained in B closure. Because if A is contained in B, A closure is contained in B closures. Go to the previous result, theorem. This implies A intersection B closure is contained in A closure intersection B closure. Simple and straightforward, first part. Second part is, give an example to show that it is in general the equality doesn't hold. For that, consider capital X is ABC, and tau is equal to X pi AB. X pi AB. Then X2 is a topological space. X2 is a topological space. You can easily verify this. How to verify it is a topology? Topological space means if tau is a topology on X, then X2 is called a topological space. You have to verify tau is a topology on X. That is left as exercise because you know how to verify topology. Definition: 4 axioms must be satisfied. This collection of subsets of X must satisfy 4 axioms. What is that? You verify that. And here X2 is a topological space here. Now we prove that this is A intersection B is not equal to A closure intersection B closure. For that we take A is equal to AB and B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Then A closure is, what is A closure? It is intersection of all the closed sets containing A. A closure is, A is AB, and what is the topological space? Topological space is X by A AB, correct? X2 is the topological space. A closure is intersection of all the closed sets containing A. First we write closed sets. What are the closed sets with respect to this topology? X by A means BC, AB means C. These are the closed sets. You know the definition of closed sets. Now A closure is intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Only X contains A here. A closure is X. B closure is C. B is closed, therefore B closure is B. Just now you have studied this property. Since B closure is B itself, because B closure is closed here. C is closed, B is closed, B closure is equal to B. Now what do you have to prove? A closure intersection B closure is, it is C, because X intersection C. What is it? X intersection C? C. This is A closure intersection B closure. But take A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Pi. This is A, this is B. A intersection B is pi. Therefore A intersection B closure is pi closure. What is pi closure? Is pi. By Kuratowski's axioms. Kuratowski's axioms. Pi closure is pi. X closure is X. Now see here. A intersection B closure is pi. A closure intersection B closure is C. Therefore they are not equal. They are not equal. So A closure A intersection B closure is contained in A closure intersection B closure, but in general equality doesn't hold. For that this is the example. Next some problems are there. I leave that as exercise. Example is, find the closure of the sets. Find the closure of the set CD and ACD in a topological space X2. You can note this example. Find the closure of CD, ACD in the topological space X2, where X is equal to ABCD, and tau is equal to X pi AB, ABC. Say X is equal to ABCD. Tau is defined by this. Tau is a topological, X2 is a topological space here. Find the closure of CD and ACD. This is exercise. You try this. Next is a neighborhood of a point. I take that in the next period. Thank you.